We all know that the White House is the official residence of the President of the United States. On the top of the White House stands the American flag. What would it be like if the American flag was replaced by the flag of another country, such as China, Russia, or Canada? Since I had built a BIM model of the White House before, when I was modeling the flag component, I suddenly come up with this idea and see what does it look like if I replace them in Revit. At first I intended to make the national flag within one Revit family. However, I found that it was very difficult to control different types just by switching the parameters of the visibility, so I finally decided to make several different families. Revit has a built-in flag family, and that family used split faces to do it. It is one way to make the Revit family, but it has two limitations. First, the split faces cannot intersect with the edge, so it is only suitable for situations where the star shape of the flag is inside, like Chinese national flags. Secondly, the shapes should not be too many. For example, the American national flag has 50 stars. It says it will affect the performance in the model. It is not worth it reduce the performance of the entire model because of a small flag family, so I used a relatively more simpler method, which is to directly use extrusion. The thickness of a few millimeters doesn't matter at all. Finally, let's come back to the topic. I'll try changing the national flag of America to the national flag of China and see how it looks on the roof of the White House. And this time change to the national flag of Russia to see how it looks on the top of the White House. Isn't it a bit weird? Finally replace with the national flag of Canada. This is how it looks like. When I searched the information about the national flags of many countries, I found that the national flags are not come with the same size and ratio. For example, the flags of Russia and China have an aspect ratio of 3:2, while the Canadian flag is 2:1, and the American flag is 1.9:1. Do you ever know about that? In order to match the size of the building here, I set the height of the flag to 1600, and the proportional enlargement, or length, varies from country to country. It is not hard to add an instance parameter for adjusting the height of the flag, so I simply add it. The flag family, as a component of the BIM model, has shape, size, color, and pattern information, as well as its own proportion and height. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching.